Hi guys, and to all people here in the internet watching this video. Today, I wanted to show you how I improved my handwriting in just a short period of time. I think these tips can benefit anyone who wants to improve their handwriting regardless of how your current penmanship looks like. The first thing I did is to actually analyze my past handwriting. Thinking about it and figure out exactly what I really wanted to happen for my current handwriting. Keep in mind what you like and what you didn't like. No one can copy exactly someone else's handwriting, but you can make your own version of it, the way you wanted it, and will satisfy your own self. Mine to begin with was like this. It is not messy and somehow neat and clean, but the letters is not so clear. Also, the letters were quite inconsistent, which sometimes I connected my letters. So I make sure not to do that anymore. I made some changes to certain letters like capital A, J, M, N, and W, as well as to the lowercase L and T. Of course, at first try of changing these letters, I am more cautious. The small changes makes a huge difference in your own handwriting. The next thing I did was to actually find inspiration. The itystudies, natastudies, and studyquill can offer great inspirational sources, which are also my personal favorites. I link their respective Instagram accounts, so better you check them out because their handwriting is truly what I can say, capital G-O-A-L-S, goals. Observing their common in handwriting is that they are not connecting the letters, meaning not even having cursive, which helps to see a very pleasing to the eye penmanship skills. The third tip is to be conscious when writing, which means you should write more slower at first, because as the times goes by, you will be used to it and it will become permanent as your handwriting. Your brain and muscles will remember the movements, which will lead for you to write faster in the future. And to be honest, for me, if I wanted to write neatly, I always make it slower than before, and it is okay with me. I know that when you are taking notes in class, your handwriting is most likely not that neat. It is because you are under time pressure. However, the fourth tip can really make balance the other circumstances by asking yourself some questions. The first one would be, what type of pen do you use? For some, it would be a pencil, a ballpoint pen, and a gel pen, or even a marker. But I do observe that most people out there showing their handwriting uses a gel pen. So if you are using a ballpoint pen, please don't switch to a gel pen just because other people uses it. I mean, of course, you can try it out, but don't force yourself to something you're not used to. And for me, I think I can use them all as long as I'm okay with its nib size. And that is the second question. What nib size do you prefer? For me, when I used to write thicker than 0.5mm, it somehow looks messier and shakier. I prefer a much thinner pen, and well, of course, other people also have their own preference in nib size. So better to know your own preferred nib size for your own handwriting. The third question you also need to ask yourself is that, what paper pattern do you like? I know this might seem trivial, but I find a lot myself prefer to use a non-smooth paper because, as you can see, I am a left-handed. Writing to a much smooth and somehow hard to dry ink paper is a problem for me. It only makes my notes untidy. At last, But not least, practice a lot. Writing is fun for me, so I don't see it as work. But if you really wanted to make your own handwriting much better, you need practicing as the key. So, I hope these simple tips can help improve your own handwriting. But I also really wanted to emphasize that if you really wanted to improve your handwriting, you don't need to copy as exactly what others' handwriting style is, because that is a lot more work for you. But of course, you are all free to do whatever you want. So thank you for watching and hopefully to see you guys soon. Bye bye. Take care.